This lightweight conditioner helps to moisturize, strengthen, and re-energize follicles for beautiful hair with great body lifted from the roots. Don't let life weigh you down, sister. With vitamin C and E, it imparts softness and brightness to strands to give your hair a youthful, luminous shine. Organic aloe restores and moisturizes the locks, while Evoq's amino acid complex strengthens the hair from root to tip. Despite being jammed with 18 essential vitamins, antioxidants, and extracts, this conditioner is feather light and hair is left feeling weightless to ensure ultimate volume and bounce. Both scalp and strands are strengthened and balanced to promote overall scalp and aging hair health.